Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It has been so long since I've been on here chatting with you guys, but I am back. Sorry about my voice. I'm a little nasally, a little bit congested. That's from being away, but I'm back and I want to go shopping and I want you guys to come along with me. So if you want to go to Dollarama and see what's new, please keep on watching. So as soon as I walk in over to my right, I'm greeted by all these wonderful greeting cards, and they have all their Thanksgiving and Halloween greeting cards out. Quite a selection, so if you're wanting to purchase it, probably the best time because you'll have the biggest selection to choose from, and these are $1. As I walk down the aisle, I see these light up tumblers. I hadn't seen these before, so these are new to my store. Then the ever popular Baby Shark puzzle is available. It's a 24-piece puzzle. These would be great for stocking stuffers. These would also be great for loot bags. This is also new to me. It's the Vortex coin bank. Mind you, I haven't been to Dollarama in quite a few months, so it might be something that's already in your store. These little pinatas are super cute. We have the emojis, the one that sticks out its tongue. We have the happy face, so a great addition to any birthday party. And this little llama is super cute as well, even to just use as decor. They also carry great board games. Here we have Brain Warp. It's a trivia game. And I believe this one was $4. Oh, it's actually $2 over there. This also is a great find. It's a tennis set for children. This is a great deal. It's for ages 3 plus. This coming up is also new to me. It's a light box, so it lights up, door hanger, so you can actually leave messages on there. I thought this is really cool. It does require batteries, of course, and it's by the Home Deco brand. And here they have their very infamous mommy kits, and they had quite a selection at my store. For the crafters, they had these rolls of felt. They are $2 and quite a variety of colors to choose from. Now I know this is not new, but it is new to me, and it's the wall gallery kit. This is absolutely amazing. All you have to do is frame the pictures. There's a variety to choose from. I absolutely love this idea. I think it's fantastic and I highly recommend it. Moving on, they had these rolls of faux fur. Definitely come in handy for some type of DIY. Now look at these different two-way sequin fabric pieces. Look at the colors, absolutely gorgeous. Let your imagination run wild because you could definitely make great projects with this. If you have an LOL obsessed little girl or little boy in your household, run, because they have the diaries and they have the notebooks. Coming up, you'll also see the brushes. Great deal. I'm absolutely in love with this notebook. Look at the cute little llama with the sequins. It's so cute. They have fantastic notebooks this year. And the way they're laid out, the presentation, they've done an awesome job. They have journals, really great deals, and the quality is really good as well. So many to choose from. Okay, how awesome are these file folders? They're beautiful. With the gold font, definitely does not look like dollar store quality. Very impressed with these. And here is the brush I was telling you about. It's $4, but it's a very good quality brush. LOL, I'm telling you, great stocking stuffers, great loop bag stuffers. I'm definitely picking up a couple of these. Here is the menu board that I'm debating whether or not to pick up. I absolutely love it. These sequin memo boards are super cute as well. They are $4 and you can actually write notes on the sequin, as you can see the example there, or they even have little clothespins to hang photos or notes. These are cute. These are not new, but they're super cute to add to a child's room. These are sequin decor pillowcases. They come in a variety of colors, and you know what? For $4, they'll spruce up any living space. These were super cute. I absolutely fell in love with these. Again, I'm debating whether or not to pick them up. Super cute, and they come in a variety of different colors. I'm loving the hunter green. This picture, wow, it's definitely a statement piece. The camera's not doing it justice, but it's like a Tiffany blue. So pretty, and it's $4. Hey, finally, some fall decor. Check out this sign. Absolutely gorgeous. It is so well made. It looks so nice, so pretty. Definitely going to purchase that. And they have some pumpkins and some faux flowers. These are really pretty as well. However, I must say I'm quite disappointed that when I went into the store, they were just starting to put out their decor. So not a lot here to. This spin broom, it actually comes in 2 different packages, as you can see there. Has anyone tried this? Is this any good? I'm tempted, but I don't know if it's just gimmicky. Let me know. Comment down below because I'd be interested to hear. Here is some Halloween decorations. Again, disappointed because it seems that just that day they were removing all their summer stuff and adding their fall, Thanksgiving, Halloween decor. So again, this is all I really have to show you. So disappointed, but I will be back because I'm sure everything is out by now. Everything's unpacked, but as you can see, this is what they have for now. Okay, so you need to run to the store because this is probably the best deal I found. It retails, as you can see there, for $50, and Dollarama is selling it for $4. It's an official Blue Jays jersey. It's white with the pink Blue Jay on it. Start the car. This was new at my store. It's the chime bell. It's wireless, so it's a doorbell that doesn't require wires. This salt crystal lamp is also new and definitely a great find in my opinion. So this concludes this trip to Dollarama. Thank you so much for coming along with me. As you can see, not a lot of seasonal merchandise out. Now, to give them the benefit of the doubt, they were putting everything away, so they're ready to unpack. So I will come in very shortly, and of course, I'll bring you along with me. Thank you so much for coming, keeping me company. Hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, I will talk to you in my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone, have a great day.